Is your localized security or access logic apps broken by the Unblock Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. While preparing the manual steps for Unblock Library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Unblock Library, a specialized library component used by several automated system utilities to handle the removal of the mark of the web, MOTW, attribute from downloaded files. It automates the unblock checkbox found in file properties. If missing, specialized script launchers or game mod managers will fail to execute downloaded content, reporting security verification failed or file access blocked. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Unblock is a proprietary library bundled specifically within the localized security/access logic file set, and the safest way to recover this file is to run the official setup for your main application, where you encountered the error again. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Unblock Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Please use caution. Replacing Unblock Library DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. Review options for improved system responsiveness by consulting the primary tool linked below for Unblock Library. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Unblock Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.